Now let us discuss how the project management or project is defined. So first let us consider the Project Management Institute of US, how it is defining the project. According to Project Management Institute US, the project is one shot time limited, goal directed, manner understanding requiring commitment of varied skills and resources. It has also been described as combination of human non-human resources pulled together on temporarily organization to achieve the specific purpose. The purpose and the facts of activities which can achieve that purpose distinguish one project from another. So that means the project is always a time limited. It's a one shot project, and its main objective is to get the desired output, get the desired goal, and it should be directed towards a goal, and also it needs a skill, a human resource, a technology. So that is a project. Now similarly, IMD Little and J.A. Miralles, according to them. So if you write any of the definition that is considered, what is a project? According to IMD, we mean by the project any scheme or part of a scheme for investing resources which can reasonably be normalized and evaluated as an independent unit. The definition is thus arbitrary. Almost any project could be broken down into part for separate consideration. Each of these parts would then by definition a project. Now this is quite interesting. Now here, according to this, the project is a scheme or a part of a scheme, and according to this, a project can be subdivided and broken down into the parts, and it can be given, especially in software field. When the project is written, it is written in group, not by an individual. That we have to understand. And the individuals or a group is given with certain tasks. They have to complete that. That is what we call project. So according to IMD Little, it is specified that the project can be broken, and one more thing is there, when it is given, it is broken and it is given. For example, we can take, if you take one more example of a construction. So you know that engineers are doing designing and all, and the workers, they are doing the construction work, the carpenters are doing carpentry work. These are all piece works, and it is assigned to the separate group. So that is how the project is done. Now next is a specific activity with. So here you cannot see the names, it's very dull. J. Price Whittinger, according to them, a specific activity with specific starting point and specific ending point intended to accomplish specific objectives. This is what is exactly our previous definition says. So always the project will have a starting point and it will have an ending point. One more is there, that is, it's when the project under process or when it is under construction, the middle of the project. It is sometime you draw a boundary around, at least conceptual boundary, and say this is the project. Means always the project will have a starting point and ending point. Next, according to the United Nations, completion of a data which will enable the appraisal to be made of economic advantages and disadvantages attended upon the allocation countries resources to the production of specific goods and services. So project is economical advantage, and its main objective is to allocate the resources of the countries in the production of goods and services. That is according to the United Nations. Like that, the project can be defined in different ways.